हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल बी क्यूरियस। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रिसेप्टर्स एंड सिग्नलिंग बी एंड टी सेल रिसेप्टर्स। The coordination of the physiological functions throughout the body depends on the ability of individual cell to sense change in their environment and to respond appropriately. One of the major routes by which a cell interpret its surrounding is through the binding of signaling molecules to cell association receptor protein. A molecule that bind to a receptor is like ligand. Non-covalent binding of a ligand to its receptor may induce alternation in the receptor itself, in its polymerization state, and in the environment of that receptor. This change act to transmit or transduce the ligand binding signal into the interior of cells, leading to alteration in cellular functions. In the nervous system, we would call the signaling molecule neurotransmissions. In the endocrine system, hormones. In the immune system, the foreign molecule that signal the presence of non-cellular entities are antigens, and the small molecule that communicate among the various population of immune cells are cytokines. Specialized cytokines that induce chemo attraction or repulsion are termed chemokines. In this chapter, we provide a general introduction to a receptor, ligand binding, and to the broad concepts and strategy that underlie a signal transduction. We then focus specifically on the antigen and receptor of the adaptive immune system, introducing the B and T cell receptor an intracellular signaling event that occur upon antigen binding. Because the cells of the immune system are distributed throughout the body, with some resident in field fixed tissue and other circulating through the various lymphoid tissue, the blood and lymphatics. The ability of these cells to communicate with and signal to one another via soluble cytokine and chemokine molecules, a messenger, is essential to their function. The ligand may the essential concept that underlies cell signaling in the immune system can be summarized as follow. The cellular signal is any event that instructs a cell to change its metabolic and proliferative state. Signals that usually generated by the binding of a ligand to a complementary cell-bound receptor. The cell can become more or less susceptible to action of ligand by decreasing the expression of the receptor for ligand. The ligand may be a soluble molecule or it may be a peptide, carbohydrate, or lipid presented on the surface of a cell. The ligand may travel through long distances from its entry point through the body in either the bloodstream or the lymphatic before it reaches a cell bearing the relevant receptor. Ligand receptor binding is non-covalent, although it may be a quite high affinity. Ligand binding to the receptor induces a molecule change in the receptor. This change may be in form of conformational alteration in the receptor dimensionized cluster, a change in the receptor's location in the membrane, or covalent modification Such receptor alteration set of cascades of intracellular events that include the activation of enzyme and change in the intracellular location of important molecule. The end result of cellular signaling is obtained, but not always a change in the transcriptional program of the target cell. Sometimes a cell must receive more than one signal through more than one receptor in order to effect a particular outcome. Integration of all these signals received by a cell after others occur at the molecular level inside the recipient cell. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग। आगे का हम नेक्स्ट डे पढ़ेंगे, जो कि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, रिसेप्टर लेगेंट इंटरेक्शन। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग।